lot of time in your life.
Oh, yes it does, let me tell you.
And it's a lot of time, you know, that's,
Absolutely, and then
that's like 2 hours a day you just got.
exactly.
Yeah.
Was Albert coming in doing?
I don't think so. He said he was gonna ask Sandy or whatever. He never got
And it was
back
an
to us, so.
ugly, 40 minutes, an ugly.
Albert's not allowed to go to dinner tonight.
And,
What's that?
Albert's not allowed to
I
go to
always
dinner
have to
tonight.
have work.
Oh, is that right?
It
I'll
was
bring
raining.
Terry tonight,
It
though.
rained, the freeway was flooded.
Is Albert,
We weren't going anywhere.
Yep, you were stuck in traffic for the next few
Yeah.
hours.
Here, watch
I
it. Get
remember
some
that.
You don't worry.
No.
And I used to have
I'm
clients, we
gonna
were on the
sneeze.
east
Oh, bless
side
you.
of LA.
Yeah.
And I had clients
So
on the
Albert,
west side
that's
of
what he
LA.
stole, is that it?
Yeah.
So and
Okay.
invariably I'd have to go take
All
them
different
somewhere
kinds of marriages.
over there, right around
All
4
different
o'clock on a
kinds.
Friday.
Oh my goodness.
So
Now, we,
getting back, I mean, I had to get off the freeway.
standing out there in the
go back.
desert,
Couldn't
it's
make it
interesting.
home.
It just, you know, your hair just blows everywhere.
Because it was 2.5 hours or something, it just, we avoid LA like the plague. We just don't love it.
Wait, why were you guys in LA?
I used to work it down
Oh, yeah.
Well, not recently.
a long time ago.
She's not talking recent.
When I was young.
So Ruby Manuel built a company.
Oh yeah, which one? Or which?
Ask him. I dared to ask him. That's where it's. Manuel? She asked you a question.
No, she hasn't.
It looks to me
You
like
told her
it
to
needs
ask, but
to
she hasn't
cut.
done it yet.
Yeah, I was like, so, I hear you started a
Chemical
company.
manufacturer.
I'm sorry?
We were chemical manufacturers.
Okay.
Jill and I owned the company.
Oh, okay.
We've worked together, a good 35 years, maybe, I don't think longer.
Could be 40 years. No, could be,
We like each other.
probably 40 years.
We like each other.
Yeah.
I hope so.
I know, I thought.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we worked together a long time. Because of Jill, we got to keep the company and make it grow. And I say that because she takes care of the money.
Okay.
A lot of places lose
They'll
their
take
place
care of the
because
money.
they lose their money.
Yeah, that happens to a lot of companies. They get a little successful, but they have no idea what to do with the money.
Gotcha.
And then they hire
That's where
some
she comes in.
crooked bookkeeper who steals it from them.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it happens so many times. It's awful.
Yeah.
And God knows it's hard enough.
Out there. Wow, that's awesome.
We had a gal working in accounting that started ordering stuff. Was she working in accounting? She worked for
Yeah,
Tracy.
she was a purchasing person.
Yeah, she would order stuff and then have it sent to her house. Yeah, really.
Yeah, we
Jeez.
caught her. We caught her.
But we had very good people in finance. And they were going, hey, wait a minute, where's this stuff at?
Yeah, because if the purchase order didn't match the invoice, there was gonna be no pay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, no,
Well, that's
Yeah,
what
that's
you
true.
do,
Everything has to line up.
Yeah. Agreed.
Well, they caught her and, I don't know that she went to jail or not.
I don't think she went to jail, but she was definitely fired.
Jeez.
She got a record. That's too bad. She just felt like she could do it. We really never had a lot of problem with our
No, the only other problem
employees.
we had is people would get a hold of our check. And then they would,
Not people working for us.
just some vendor or some accounting girl in a vendor's office or something. And then they sell those, and the people who get them, reproduce them, and write payroll checks.
Oh, wow.
And have people go cash them.
Oh, wow.
And that happened more than once.
And how much money would they take out of there?
Well, it'd be a couple $1,000.
That's not too much.
We had a
You're taking a
dedicated
gray hair.
payroll account, so they couldn't get at the rest of the money. But you get a whole lot of tight to your
To see what he does in my head.
appreciate it.
This is something I'm very good at. This is the only thing I'm good at, but I put all the eggs in one basket on this one. So yeah, man, no, this is the shop. This is what I did. We just did this, and this was. And now the director of, I'm nothing special, but even Ruby was here, and the deputy director of Corrections Industries heard about me, and they came over here and asked me to be on the board of commissions for the corrections industries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, which is just, it's nice that someone thought about you and wanted to implement you into something.
Well, and thought you had something to contribute.
And they interviewed me right here in front of Ruby, like we were both just sitting here.
It's always nice to be recognized.
You know something.
Yeah, it's been nuts.
Where all that white hair come from?
I don't know, I just grow it. It just comes with me.
Well, people are fussy about their hair. They move from your home into Irvine. And my hairdresser's in Irvine. It cost me $10 each way on the damn toll road to go up there. And I can't find another hairdresser. Not even gonna
What is the toll road or whatever?
Yeah.
Like, why did they have the toll road?
Well, because the other roads are too crowded.
Oh, yeah.
So they built a new road that they can charge you for, and they're making money.
We cut it right through the mountains, they paid for it themselves.
Oh my God, that's
They
hateful.
cut it. They maintain the roads,
Daniel's like,
and if you get stuck on the road, they'll bring somebody out to you and get you back on the road. Yeah, they really maintain the highway.
They really charge trucks if trucks go on, and it's really expensive, so there are hardly any.
does it save that much time or whatever
Oh,
to
wow.
constitute the expense?
It's half the
That's
time.
All right, then it's worth it, unfortunately. Another way to steal some money. Another way for Uncle Sam to take out the Billy Club and hit you
It's
with
not going to the
that.
government.
Oh, who does it go to?
It goes to
Private?
it goes to the people who build it.
Oh, wow, I wish I
Yeah,
would
the
have done
company's
this.
called Fast Track, although I think they've got.
They have to have a contract.
their
Yeah.
hands in it, so it's not
Because how did you retain the property? How did you retain the property? Like as far as if it was, if it's national property,
Oh, they had to buy rights, but
like did they buy the land is what I'm wondering?
Oh, I don't think so.
Because it'd be like me, I thought about getting some of this commercial property too. That way, as it starts to then go ahead and, because you got to remember, look, it's really easy for me. I never had anything. I couldn't even get a job. There's Gary and his Tesla that just showed up, and it's like we just haven't. It's a trip. It's so it's not. It's time to make money, and we're gonna figure it out, and we'll figure it out as we go.
Well, you're doing all right.
Yeah, I'm opening this school we're gonna have next door. Me and Ruby will have a school, and I'm gonna make her an instructor because I'll be able to give her those hours and be able to make money.
Good for you, Ruby.
Well, we're in
You came at the
commercial
right
real
time.
estate,
Yeah, she did.
and it's hard to
Is she
get
there?
rented anymore.
Yeah, she's right over here.
because-
Ruby's
Oh,
right there.
oh, she moved.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. It's okay, you can move. I will wash my hair tomorrow morning. Maybe even tonight.
Why are you gonna try to take a shower right now?
No, I'm gonna go home, check in, and go to the restaurant.
Yeah,
We
good.
gotta be there at 5:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I'm
about
finishing
4.
up now,
It's
that
about
way.
4.
Yeah, just finishing up now what they cut, and then we'll be able to.
What time is it?
It's 10 to 4.
Yeah.
We're not in bad shape.
Not in bad, not in great, but I'll
Yeah.
meet you guys there. I'll make sure that I'll hold the table down. I'll get there. I'm still in work fatigue, so it's, you know what I mean? And what did that shirt really fit you, Ruby, or not?
Yeah, no,
See,
it's
like
fine.
Ruby has a shirt right here that she had it on and everything. This is Ruby's
Yeah,
shirt.
now I have a.
This is the
Yeah.
same shirt that I'm wearing.
And then
Yeah,
check it out,
yeah.
we have matching cups now.
Yeah, we have
Barber
cups.
clients,
Cool.
Oh yeah, we should shout out to the client.
Absolutely, yeah.
What's his-
DGS.
Custom cuts and engraving. Dominic, thank you, brother, for the cup. We really appreciate you and thank you for hooking us up. This is awesome. If anybody needs any work done, let us know. But just because we get paid on YouTube now, thank you, YouTube, for all that you do. And I stopped using the F word for you. Well, they have rules in there that you're not allowed to open with the F word. I was like a sailor at one point. It was like, I hate to say that, but it was. I'm glad that cleaned up. It wasn't. Manuel talked to me about that once. He was like, hey, it's, things you say and don't say. And
Yeah.
so we just, we're working on it. You know what I mean? And we all have things to work on. Showing up on time isn't one of mine, but it's definitely,
I'm working on
I'll see you tomorrow.
all right, yeah. Hey, are you coming tomorrow? Or? All right, yeah, I'll be here. Hey, Manuel, this is Gary. This is my cousin Manuel.
How you doing?
Hey, Gary.
Nice to meet you, sir. Sounds good. I'll
All,
talk to you guys.
all right. Yeah, so that's where he went to the CBO dispensary there, and then we're renting out the next building. We're going to do a school here, and then next day we're doing another adventure.
How come you don't have any pictures of Mike Tyson?
You know what? Because I don't have any. But that would be cool. You know what? Someone else mentioned that about the Mike Tyson. Look, I'll tell you one thing to be cool, and then I'll finish up so I don't bug watch. Look, so this poster right here was smuggled back from Dubai. This was smuggled back from Abu Dhabi. This was rolled up, and this was signed by Alex Acosta and Israel Adesanya, 2 UFC fighters. And so it's signed by every single that was on Fight Island, and that was brought back from there. These are Diego Sanchez's shorts, UFC pants that he gave us from the UFC for one of his fights. These are all the pictures hidden of me and all the UFC fighters. But we would like to. I have Muhammad Ali in the hallway. We
Yeah, I
just
saw
need to
him.
get
I saw him.
Mike Tyson, and we need Johnny Tapia in here too, though, because it's like Albert Einstein's on the wall.
Yeah,
Manuel.
I saw him.
So watch,
I
we just
saw-
kind of like pop this together. You might want to watch it.
My video on TikTok got 100 views, and the video on Instagram also got 100
No
views.
way.
200 people.
Sick. Nice. You just posted a video and look, it's all about growth. My thing is like whatever you can do to grow is monumental and what doesn't so you could be way back here, but as long as you're growing, you're headed in the right direction. It's when there's non-growth.
do that. People want things changed, they hear about it and decide, oh, maybe I should start with that.
Yeah, I'm really happy this is an anomaly. I would never in a million years ever believe that Jill would be sitting on that couch. I might not let anyone sit on that couch after that. I swear to God on everything, I might, that couch might become a relic. Dude, they've done everything for me. Like I've sat in their home in Irvine, California, in their beautiful house, sitting in there overlooking the entire city in Yerba Linda, actually.
Yerba Linda.
And dude, they've done it's never, they would never be here, but they are here. So it's blessing that it's like, oh wow, it's amazing that they are here, because it's like he had opened his house up to me at a time that nobody did. That's where it was. So the same thing is for them. Whatever they need, anytime they're out, they would never come here. This is the one time they'll be here.
Well, you never know. We have not been traveling and kind of need to get back to it. It's so hard getting out of the LA area. It's just.
But you don't
like
travel
taking
here,
a
Jill.
beating.
Normally, you're right.
Just because you guys go to Washington and other places and.
Well, we have driven across to New York.
We drove to Mexico. It was like a 38-hour drive.
Oh wow. Wait, from where?
Look at the plane
Yeah,
right
to the center of Mexico, basically.
Oh no way. That is crazy.
Long drive. 5
I-
cars, back to back to back to back.
Damn, I love how you said that too. It was like, my God. Manual is like 38-hour drive, like makes the 12-hour drive seem like nothing.
Really. Yeah.
But still, though, the 12-hour is something without
Yeah,
a doubt.
yeah, yeah. Don't get.
But
12
38
hours
is
still something.
Yeah.
You don't want to be sitting in 12 hours just in the truck, just or in your car.
The 38 is magical. That's like, man, you've really done
When we
something.
moved over here, that 12-hour drive in the moving truck and the met van, oh my God. It was even, you know what?
Oh yeah, when you came from California to here.
And I didn't
They
have
had to
a
move
car.
all of their stuff out of there.
God,
Just
yeah,
nice and
for their
cleaned up, not
unloading,
too
loading.
short.
You're crammed in the car for 12 hours.
You have to ride with kids.
I know, I was just sitting there, I'm like, come on.
I wish they lived out here, but I'm glad they don't. They don't need to.
Grandpa's driving so that everybody can go
They're not gonna
slower
live
than
out here.
usual. It's like, it's like, oh no.
Could you take a little bit? I'm just kidding.
I love you. Do you like it though, Manuel? Or
No, it looks fine.
Awesome.
Yeah. Looks fine. It's shorter than,
a little bit shorter than you were used to,
but that's okay.
but it looks really good.
Yeah, I don't think it hurts it. I think this guy has a good cutting.
Jill likes it like that.
Yeah, I like it too. But do you like it like that, Manuel? Or will
Yeah,
it
no.
pass?
I'm good.
All right, awesome. What do you think,
know
Jill?
what,
You
I
like
don't
it?
feel like a haircut. It'll grow back.
TJ.
Hey. Oh my gosh. Yeah, your thing is blowing up. Go follow Ruby.
292, that just spiked up.
Jeez, that is nuts.